Sweaty Cup. And welcome to today's video. Today is Monday, the noon of September, minutes past C. And yes, we're back in Pai, in the forest, Pai Forest. Tommy the cat has just come to say hello. Sweaty Cup. Hello. Meow meow. Now Tommy has been up to mischief recently, been getting into fights. Don't know why, it's that time of year, must be. Come back with a few little marks. However, he is still a happy little chap. Now, sorry for the pause in uploads. However, as of now, the plan is this video up and then we'll have a stream plan. We may well put this one up maybe even next Monday, to give ourselves a little bit of time to then edit other videos, have them going up on the Monday, Wednesday and Saturday would be our plans for videos. As other days we have GoPro suggestion videos, shorts, and obviously Friday live. So here we want to bring you unboxings, Hock unboxings. Yes, we have some items have come. Let's see what we have. What is inside? Ming Song Samsi Ha coming Hock. Okay, let's go. No. Okay, we have a new pair of shoes. We very much like these for visiting the waterfall. You can just go through water, keep storming through water. This is what we find these good for. However, the sole goes pretty quick and can be very slippery on mud. No. So, if we keep those, we'll see. Know what you think when we put them on. Let you see them. Okay, those. Oh. Song. Okay, this is something we saw online and we thought very useful. We will need this for further travels, deeper travels into the jungle. This is for heating. Can you guess? Heating our water, our NAM. So plug in, put in the cup and just heat a cup of water or NAM or any juice in the cup. Heat. Tommy. Yes, Tommy? Hello, little chap. No, Tommy, there's nothing there for you. You little monkey? Who's little monkey? Tommy, Tommy the cat. Who's the little monkey? Oh, Tommy, Tommy the cat. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Little legs. Such a little fluffy fur ball, aren't you? Tommy, what are you up to? Hmm? Okay, let's go for Nung Song Sam. Right. This as well we want for our jungle expedition. If you ever make it to Khao Suk National Park, even here in the forest, this would be very useful. A windproof camping stove. Plug in the gas and away we go. Not sure who Tommy's talking to. Let's see, this is a little gas stove. So the idea being portable, take this away, throw that away, or use this here first. Plug in the gas, and I see. Bum 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 bum. Windproof. Okay. And it has feet. Have a little look. Feet. Bum 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 bum. There we go. Feet. So that will be very, very useful. We actually have some hot food. Heat up NAM, water. We can have a coffee by a waterfall, for example, if we do end up going. Or just a coffee somewhere. Little feet ones, did I put them in? Yes, I did. Right. Oops. Okay, Nung Song Sam. Let's see, Nung Song Sam C. C. See what C is. Okay. Here we have a double. We have an Adidas bag. We'll work out exactly what to keep in here. Adidas, we have a zip on the back. We have the main compartment, and we have a nice blue colour main compartment, another small compartment, and then I believe a front, yes, front compartment, Adidas. So we have 1, 2, 3 zips, and then we have the strap, which is also obviously blue. Let's just see if we put this on. A little bit bigger. There we go. Yes, Adidas. And some slides. So we have the bag and some slides. We have the white sea cow, Sib, Sam, and slides. Nice colour for the forest. Okay, now song Samsi. Ha, let's go. Ha. 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 Here we have the second slightly bigger, heating water. We could use this perhaps for like a bucket of water, just for some more water if we are maybe filling a bath perhaps, or we could just use it at home, or if we're travelling for tea, coffee. We'll see. Possibly one for the bath and one for our drinks. Now, hock. This is the last grand opening. Okay, smart watch case. Smart watch case instruction manual, and here's the case. So we're going to get to putting this on. You'll perhaps see in the next video. Let's show you a brief. This comes out, a little screwdriver, a little tool basically, a little tool for work in the lid, and here we have the strap, and shall we show you the face? Strap and face. So we'll get to putting this on now, I believe, and yes, that is everything. Everything is unboxed. So, Cop and Cup, thank you very much for watching. Please do remember to subscribe, like and share. Cop and cut. I'll see you all in the next video.